Integrating connections and tools into Microsoft Teams is a key aspect, and it's a pro Teams tip. Let's integrate MS Flow. Welcome back. Integrations, as we've mentioned, into Microsoft Teams are indeed key. Now, we find ourselves in a team for field service, and we've created a channel called MS Flow. We're going to add MS Flow into this one particular channel. So we're going to click on the 3 ellipses, click on More Apps, and it'll display the list of applications and connectors and bots and all the other good stuff from the store. Now you can scroll up and down through these looking for the item that you want in the hope that it'll be near the top or your eye will pick up on its jazzy icon. Truth of the matter is, why don't use the search button? At the top you can see the search button. That search button will indeed allow you to type in free text. We're going to type in Flow. There it is, right at the top. We've got several options as into, where you want to place it. What team do you want to add? Do you want to add it for you? Yes, little slider box, on and off. Do you want to add it to a team? Yes, no, little slider box, on or off. What team do you want to add it to? Or do you just want to add it and have done with it? Now, it also gives you a little video which you can watch, which will tell you a little bit about MS Flow. So the integration literally could not be easier. Click on install, say, add to a team like we mentioned, and you're in. When you set up, which channel do you want within that team? Do you want to install Microsoft Flow to? We'll tick on a particular recruitment. And do you want a tab or a bot? Do you want to converse with a bot to run commands, or do you want all your information surfaced as a tab? So 2 options, and we're going to look at these individually. Like I say, there's the option to save. Click on that, and before you know it, you've got it. You've got that Flow tab put at the top of that channel in the tab section. And you're then given the option from this one particular portal to log in and then get on with whatever workflows that you want to do. So that was adding MS Flow to a Microsoft Teams tab. The other option is to add it as a bot. Now, that's all well and good. How do you do that? Well, quite easy. We're going to click on another team. We're going to select Microsoft Flow. We're going to select it. We're going to add it to a different team. And then we're going to say open. And then what we're going to do is, once we've done that, we're going to ensure that all our settings are correct. Add it to the team that we want. Perhaps not the same team. Perhaps we'll give it a different team down to Contorso Finance, and then we're going to click install. Right, done, brilliant, open. So then we get the same sort of a section again. Where do you want to install this? Stick it in the general tab or whatever tab you want to put it in, audits for example. Then you click up setup on the bot, and that'll give you a bot then which you can converse with within that channel, within a chat. Run Flow, for example, and send it different commands. So that's effectively how you integrate Flow into Microsoft Teams and load that integration. Just a quick video on this time, and we'll go into Flow, I think, in a bit more detail as well once we get into that sort of section of how we deal with Teams and present information in that way. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you've already done so, and check out Microsoft Flow. Happy collaborating.